Welcome to solverfy.
So here we want to find the viscosity, so we can use Poissonier's equation and say that Q, the volumetric flow rate, would be equal to pi times r to the fourth times the change in pressure, so P sub 2 minus P sub 1, and then this would be divided by 8 times the viscosity times L. We can say that the P sub 2 minus P sub 1, this is simply going to equal the density of blood times the acceleration due to gravity times the height h, which means that the viscosity would be equal to pi r to the fourth of P sub 2 P sub 1. So this would be the density of blood times the acceleration due to gravity times h, and then this will be divided by 8 times the volumetric flow rate times L. And at this point, we can solve. So the viscosity, eta, this is actually just the Greek letter eta. This would be equal to pi times 0.20 times 10 to the negative third meters to the fourth times the density of blood, 1,050 kilograms per cubic meter, and then times the acceleration due to gravity, 9.80 meters per second squared, and then times the height, 1.30 meters, and then this will all be divided by 8 times 4.1 centimeters cubed per minute. There are 60, for every 1 minute, there are 60 seconds, and then there are 10 to the negative 6th meters cubed for every cubic centimeter. And then we're going to multiply this, close parentheses, and then we're going to multiply this by L, 0.038 meters. And we find that the viscosity will be equal to 3.2 times 10 to the negative third Pascal seconds. So this would be our final answer. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.